Hi YouTube and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, and today we're going to look at the Jordan Carmine 6s. So we've got the nice Jordan box here, and you can see the label. I love Air Jordan boxes. I love the detail on them. Packaging always come correct. Now there was a lot of speculation about the Carmine 6, and they were saying that the soles, the midsoles had red dye on them and stuff like that, but being a sneakerhead and a hype beast, I had to get myself a pair to see what all the hype was about, and there's no real signs of any pink sole. I mean, under a certain light you may see something, but it's very hard to tell, and I can't really see the pink on these, so I'm pretty happy. And the way that I figured it was, if they were to turn pink, then I'll just paint them over white anyway, because I do custom trainers. So these are box fresh, not been worn yet. I was lucky to win these on the Nike sneaker app, so I entered the draw to try and get a pair, and I managed to cop, so very happy. They got the blue icy soles there, so you can see they're fresh, not been worn yet. But after I've reviewed them, I will wear them. I wear most of my trainers. In fact, I wear all my trainers. I feel that, you know, you need to wear your trainers if you've got the trainers. Some people just like to keep them in a box, but I don't plan on reselling them. I plan on wearing them and enjoying them. So here you go, this is the Carmine 6. So upon a closer look, you can see that they've got a nice sort of nubuck red. It's a very dark red. On the camera it seems quite light, but in real life it's a lot darker. It's a nice sort of wine red, and then you've got quality leather. This leather's really hard and strong. This tough leather here. You've got this sort of padding on the ankle bit there. It's really hard. And you've got obviously the Jumpman underneath, fresh soles, icy soles. The glue, if you look closely, is all neat. There's no real signs of any glue. There's a little bit on the edge here. The paintwork's neat, and stitching, top class stitching. If I show you though up close, you can see the stitching, really neat. And you've got this sort of lace protector here with the Jumpman on it. Got the lace lock. We get this undone. It's got Nike on one side, and then the other side we've got the Jumpman on the other side, on the reverse. You've got this classic Jordan tongue here, which you can pull up when you're getting them on. You've got the heel handle there, you can pull that up to get them on. And it's nice, it's a nice styling. I've always wanted a pair of these. I just like the look of them, chunky, retro, and then you've got the Nike Air on the back. A lot of people were hyped for the Nike Air on the back, yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know, maybe I would have preferred the Jumpman, but I quite like it actually. You've got the Jumpman featured on the front and underneath, so I don't think it's really necessary. I think that's quite good having that there. It's a change. I'm loving the colourway, loving the white, majority of it being white with the portions in red. Can't wait to try these on. So, if you've liked the review on these and you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.